We're here at the OX9 event, a great annual event put on by the Omeda team, and I am joined with Rhiannon James, the president of like 17 verticals at Questex. I'm not going to list them all off. Rhiannon, how are you?
I'm great, Jacob. Great to see you, as always.
I appreciate you being here. So I've got a few questions for you, then I'll let you get off to the show. But first, tell me a little bit more about why you like coming to the OX show every year.
Well, actually, this is my first time.
Really?
Our audience and performance marketing teams come here every year religiously. They love it for the workshops, they love it for the networking, and the main stage presentations.
That's amazing. So tell me how Omeda helps you better leverage your audience events data.
So I think it's about having one view of the customer in one place that we can really track the customer from, when they first start. Maybe they sign up for a newsletter with us, then they download a white paper, then they register for one of our events. And it really enables us to kind of track them through their life cycle with Questex, but it also gives us the opportunity for our advertisers and sponsors. We can find their buyers at the right time in the right place, just when they're, wanting that piece of content or wanting to get the information about their technology.
That's amazing. So what's one thing your team will be doing more of this year with your event data?
So I think personalization and segmentation, we've been doing a lot of it over the last few years, helped by the Omeda platform and our fantastic teams at Questex. But that's really the goal for us. I think, attendees really want to feel like an event has been built for them. Otherwise, they're just not going to show up. The return on time these days is a crucial metric for attendees. And then for exhibitors, I think, we want to give them more than just a dump of 300 leads from an event. We want to be able to tell people, tell our exhibitors, what was that person doing before they came to event on and off our websites? What were they doing at the event? How many sessions did they go to? So it's really about personalizing the experience for the attendee and personalizing the lead for the exhibitor and sponsor.
And my last question is, how are you measuring or thinking about audience lifetime value?
Well, we're definitely looking at that, and Omeda actually rolled out some tools this morning, some frameworks for us to help us do it even better.
That's amazing. Well, Rhiannon, I hope you enjoy the rest of the show.
Thank you, Jacob.
All right.
Thanks.